Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's video. I want to clean that kitchen, so let me go and show you the status of the kitchen. I also want to deal with the whole house and just put everything in order. It has been a long working weekend for me and everything is just everywhere. So let's go. I show you the status of the kitchen, living room, and my entryway over there. Those are the three places we are going to focus on, and of course the laundry. The rooms, I had straightened them up last week, so it's just making the beds. I am alone at home. The kids are in school. I have my time, my peace, and just free space to do what I need to do. Nobody walking around when I clean, nobody touching things. So let's deal with this mess that is. Let's leave ourselves like fast.
Na milele mahali wanadamu wanashindwa, wewe unaweza. Ndio maana tunakuita Mungu.
We have gotten into the mood, we have gotten the energy. Whatever it takes to psych you up, do it. Mimi, as you all know, music, dancing is my go-to remedy. So let's clean this up and then we can move to the rest of the house.
afternoon. Now didn't we say 1 o'clock? I keep looking at the tellers going tick-tock. I must have somehow heard you wrong, but I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop on the corner of Baraka and Sweet. I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops on the corner of Baraka and Sweet. And I'm gonna choose to believe you're on your way, just running a little late, a little late. Now this might seem silly since we only just met. You must think I'm a stalker, or worse, I bet. But when it feels right, it feels right. Why should that raise a flag, turn on a red light? I'm not gonna make excuses for being mean. No, I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop on the corner of Baraka and Sweet. I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops on the corner of Baraka and Sweet. And I'm gonna choose to believe you're on your way, just running a little late, little late.
Hi guys, it is afternoon. I finished cleaning up the house. I came for the kids, picked up the small kids. Now we are waiting for the small kid, for the bigger kid to finish her classes. I took drive therapy with hubby. We went gallivanting and just, refreshing our minds. Wako huko nyuma, somewhere there. Hey, I spent the whole morning cleaning the living room, the dining, kitchen, the bedrooms. I didn't deal with them, and even the laundry that I was doing, I didn't finish. That is what I am going to do this afternoon after I pick the children when we go back. Come, we go this way. When we go back to the house, and then we'll do usual evening routine, clean up, what else? And make dinner. Do you guys ever struggle? It's so weird. Do you guys ever struggle with what's for me? I have meal plans. I have plans every day that this is what we're going to eat. But then when that day comes, I'm just like, I don't feel like rice and beans, or I don't feel like githeri, I don't feel like chapo, I don't feel like ugali. So I always have a hard time deciding what to cook for dinner, even if I meal prep or even in advance, or if I prepare my things in advance. On the material day, what I've set to cook for that day is not necessarily what I am going to eat or what we are going to eat. And as you can tell, I am so tired. My eyes, I have eye bags 24/7. But anyway, we survive every day. All right, let's wait for this young girl to finish her thing. Us guys are just going to walk around and hang out, and then we will head back home.
But I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop on the corner of Baraka and Sweet. I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops on the corner of Baraka and
I'm trying to make some coconut pancakes. I had mixed the flour, but it was my first time doing it, so of course it showed me character development. So I am trying to I had to divide it and sort it out. What I learned is that coconut flour is it absorbs the liquid. So I was watching some videos on how to use the coconut flour, which I believe has given me tips, and that is what I am trying to do. So I am going to try my luck in making the pancakes and see if they turn out good. The taste is good. It has a very nice smell as well. Mixing it is the problem, which is something we are going to learn as we go. Working with coconut flour is so difficult. We have made a bit of pancakes. But the trouble that we are having is evishaing them inside, but they are still okay. So now we are trying to. I also tried the waffle, but that one is failed. So now we are trying to do porridge to see if it works and if it tastes like white porridge or like coconut porridge. It looks thick, nice and thick, but I am not sure about the taste. So we'll try and see. But honestly, yeah, coconut flour is very difficult. If you have solutions of how to work with it, let us know. This is impossible. I don't know. I'll try next. I will try baking. Okay, here I have my chickpeas. They are boiling, almost done. So I will just fry this with rice for dinner. This is 8:20 p.m. and we still have sun. The other time it was 7 and it was still sunny. Now it is 8:30. I am working on the chickpeas. I have my onions going, tomatoes, tomato paste, cornstarch for thickening, Royco curry and spice, and just normal Royco.